Exceptional. Great place to stay. The staff communicated very well. They even upgraded us for free, since the first room sleeping facility was upstairs and it was a challenge for me. I need to thank Astrid for really making our stay an unforgettable one. Near to bus stop and all other amenities. Efficiency. The cost effectiveness is good. There is ample free parking space nearby. The staff is friendly and the rooms are spacious. Experience a relaxing stay at Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel. Welcome to Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel, a charming 3-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Marseille, France. With its convenient location, comfortable accommodations, and excellent amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Upon arrival, guests can check in from 3 p.m. and begin their memorable stay. The hotel offers a total of 94 well-appointed rooms, ensuring that every guest can find the perfect space to unwind and recharge. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern furnishings and amenities, providing a cozy and relaxing atmosphere for a restful night's sleep. Families traveling with children will appreciate the hotel's child policy, which allows children between the ages of 0 to 2 to stay free of charge. This makes Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel an ideal choice for a family vacation, offering a comfortable and affordable option for everyone. In addition to its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel also offers a range of excellent amenities. Guests can enjoy the convenience of a 40-minute drive to the airport, making travel arrangements a breeze. The hotel was last renovated in 2014, ensuring that guests can expect modern facilities and a fresh ambience. Whether you're exploring the city center, located just 7 kilometers away, or simply enjoying the nearby Prado Beach, Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel provides a relaxing haven amidst the bustling city. Experience a delightful stay at this charming hotel and create lasting memories of your time in Marseille, France. Unwind and stay active at Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel's impressive sports facilities. Nestled in the beautiful city of Marseille, Adagio Marseille Prado Plage Aparthotel offers an array of outstanding sports facilities that will keep guests entertained and active throughout their stay. Whether you're a golf enthusiast or a water sports lover, this hotel has something for everyone.